Welcome to ProLabs. I'm Tyler Frankeny. I'm the Director of Engineering here. I'm going to take you through a tour of our facility. We start all our tours off here in engineering. This is where all new product gets received, whether it's an ECN, PCN, cost down, new technology. It comes in here first. This is where we'll inventory it, catalog it, and test data sheets. So in here is the engineering team who's charged with essentially running data sheets on all the products, as well as developing all the compatible codes, troubleshooting customer issues, anything to do with the product. This is the team here that takes care of that. Here, like I said, essentially we just run data sheets. This is essentially phase one, and it's what I call our due diligence. This is where we again are just running data sheet parameters, min and max sensitivities, power consumptions, temperature. This is where we're going to perform those tests. All of our data sheets, all of our products meet IEEE specifications. This is where we're going to run min and max sensitivities, power consumption, temperature. This is the environmental test chamber. This is where we'll test for industrial extended commercial temperatures. So if it's an industrial temperature product, which is -40 to 85, we will run that here. We'll run it past -40, past the 85 to the point of failure, and then we will cool off the transceiver or heat the transceiver out back into the normal operating conditions to ensure the transceiver comes back online. So that way, if it does go outside of spec and it fails, when it's back in conditions, it'll start operating again. Like I said, this is our due diligence. This is what we do before we, again, test any sort of OEM compatibility. This is us standing behind the technology itself. Phase two is what I tell everyone makes us special. We spend millions of dollars every single year buying the equipment. What that allows us to do is ensure success for you and your customers. It's quite noisy in there, but if you want to follow me inside, I can show you around. So this is the device verification test lab. This is where we're gonna start plugging all the transceivers into the Cisco's, Juniper, Ciena's, Nokia system. We'll do hard boots, soft boots, simulated fiber cuts, throughput testing to again ensure the product acts just like the OEM transceiver. We also do product verification reports. Essentially, that'll be us mocking up your customer's environment from end to end. We offer that at no charge. We will invest in all the equipment for you. We will buy it all. We will have it here. We will test your orders in it if that's what's required. This really enables us to be successful because now that we have the equipment here, we're able to troubleshoot if anything comes up in the field. And then I'll show you through our production line over here. We hold all of our inventory at a building across the street. We hold anywhere between $50 and $70 million worth of inventory in any given day. The value of that to your customers is that we have product in-house available to ship today. So here's, I guess, is the first phase of production. Every line item on your order will get a data traveler. This essentially is a birth certificate for the product. So every line will get a data traveler. It'll tell us essentially who the customer is, the product line, the technology that's picked, the starting and ending serial numbers, you name it, it has all the information for your order here. This enables us to have incredible tracking where you guys would be able to just give us the serial number here and we can tell you the exact bill of materials. We can tell you who picked it, when it was picked, how it was tested, where it was tested, what software version it was tested on, all the above. That'll help us ensure that we ship you a good product and we know exactly what was shipped to you. After labels, it'll go through programming. This is where we will put the unique EEPROM on each of the transceivers. Here at ProLabs, we created our own programming software and hardware. This enabled us total flexibility into the programming requirements we need, as well as it offers very consistent products. Once a product is produced one time, it'll be produced the same time every time after that, unless there's some sort of intervention. We have very good checks in place to again ensure we don't ship you any product that we're not aware of or you're not aware of. All of our products go through an ECN or PCN notification process. So again, you can be comfortable knowing your product is the same every time we ship it to you. So we test 100% of the parts that you order. Part of that too is we will test it in an OEM that's relevant. So if you order a Cisco, you order a Juniper, we will test them in a Cisco device, a Juniper device. We will do a plug-in test, ensure that the module is recognized by the system. We will ensure that the serial number, the part number match the label. We will ensure that the link comes up. We'll do a quick ping test to ensure connectivity. And then we will do the next transceiver. And essentially we will go through every transceiver the same way. Once we are done, we will visually inspect all the end faces. All the end faces go through a visual inspection process here and cleaned. The largest network failures is contamination. We know how easy it is to contaminate an end face. We know we contaminate them when we are testing. So what we're doing is cleaning them before we ship them to you. We do offer taking images as well. That way I can make sure that all of them are clean and it's not my technicians. We offer that as a service that's of no charge. All this stuff we do here is to ensure success for you and your customer. Then after testing and cleaning, everything comes back out on the production floor. And this is essentially what we'll do: wraps, bag, tag, and ship.